Well, it's been an electrifying couple of weeks for electronic vehicle stocks. The Metaverse we just talked about, revolutionary software stocks, software as a service is what they're known as. Some of these things will significantly alter our lives in the future, but for now they're altering portfolios in a major way. And I want to get the fix on how we play this, bringing in Market Gauge Group's Michelle Snyder. Michelle, I know you have Roblox at $80. Huge move. Are you tempted to take profits yet?
Well, we have actually taken a couple of small profits, but I really want to try to hold on to it. Obviously, we always use the discipline of a trailing stop so we don't go underwater. But it really is exciting in terms of the very early stages of the metaverse space, which is what Roblox in the gaming is all about. But I also want to take a quick second to mention something. I listened to your two guests before, but Nano, which is Decentraland, which is a crypto that you can trade, also takes advantage of the metaverse space. And it's backed by Ethereum blockchain. You go in, it's a game, you get an avatar, you can explore, you can go to NFT galleries and buy NFTs, or you can buy actual land, and then you can actually use that land to, let's say, sell an NFT. So that's another really good way to have crypto exposure and metaverse exposure and NFT exposure all in the same vein. That's trading at about $3.19. Mana, yes.
And that's a symbol, M-A-N-A.
Mm-hmm.
All right. In this EV space, another hot space, Lucid, Rivian, I mean, they're getting all the attention. A lot of folks didn't even know about them 2 or 3 weeks ago. Is this an area that you're in right now, a little profit taking today?
Well, we're more in the periphery end of it right now, so I like the fact that you can also get involved with rare earth minerals because, let's face it, they're all going to need that to run. So MP Materials is a company we're very hot on. We're in it. We think it can actually go more than double in price. It's trading about 44, 45. I see 100. But you can also look at some of those charging stations. If you haven't already gotten into Blink or Plug, they're also setting up nicely.
Right. MP, by the way, I featured that stock 2 weeks ago on this show. It must be up at least 30% since then. I'm glad you think it could double from here because I'll tell my subscribers to hold. I got a minute to go. Goldman named their internet picks for 2020. Amazon was at the top of the list. They had Snap, Facebook, Uber. Have you begun your list yet? What is the one name you think everyone should own in 2020? Two, rather.
I actually think this is going to surprise you if I had to pick one name. It's going to be actually silver, use the SLV ETF. I think it's just basing out and hitting a little resistance here, but if it explodes over recent levels at SLV 2350, I see no reason why we can't see that much higher, especially with inflation still very much on the table.
I've been spying it. I was looking at gold, which is making a pretty good move, and then all of a sudden I looked over at silver, which is making an even bigger move. All right, well, you know what? You covered it all, Michelle. That's why we love having you on. Thank you.